Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can use custom error element in Lightning Flows, which is like just recently released by Salesforce. So I'm performing this demo in Winter 24 or pre-release or basically. So I have created this flow. Let me open this flow. Now, first thing to note over here is this new custom error element is only applicable to record triggered flows. And if you see over here, I have configured this flow on code line group object. So let me explain you the use case. The use case over here is basically I'm trying to put a validation over a code line group and which says code line group start date and end date should lie in between the code started and ended. Okay, so I have selected the object as code line group and the flow will run on before insert and before update event. Now, after that, what I have done is I have used this decision box. In this decision box, I'm just simply comparing the start date of the code line group if it is less than the code start date or end date of code line group is greater than the code end date. Then what I have done is if you click on this plus icon, you can select this custom error element, which I have configured over here. So if you double click over this, now you can see a window comes up like this. Okay, here you have to specify the label and label that should be meaningful as well. So you can configure the error message with two options. Like it provides you two options. One, you want to display the message on the record page, or if you have a field level validation, you can display the field level validation on a particular field as well. But if you select over field, then you can see you can select the field as well, whatever the appropriate field you want to select. And apart from that, you can select multiple error messages as well. If you click over here, and you could see. So if you want to display error messages on the field level, like multiple fields, like more than one field, then you can select more than one error message as well. But in case of record page, you won't be able to do that. Okay, so for the timing, I'm going to delete this. So now, so for this use case, I have created this variable which is containing our error message. So let me show you that as well. If you go over here, so it says code line group start and ended must lie between code start and ended. Okay, so this is how you can configure your custom error element, and make sure you should not configure any DML element or any assignment element just right after this. This is the limitation of this element. What will happen is it will basically bypass this custom element. The flow will bypass this custom element, executes, and it executes your assignment or DML element, whatever you have configured right after that. Okay, so make sure you keep this in mind. Now let's test this down. So if you go to any code record, I have this code record, and I'll go over here and click on edit lines. Now over here you see the start date is basically 25th of August 2023 and end date on the code is 24th of August 2024. But if you see the start date on a group is 24th of August 2023. That is before the start date of code. So if you try to save this, you will see an error, right? So in order to save this code record, what you have to do is you have to change this date to, let's suppose, 26th of August, and if you try to save now this is saved. Okay, so this was all about the custom error element in Lightning Flows. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.